if the surrounding electrons, surrounding elements are more electronegative, then it will have plus oxidation state. And if the surrounding element have lesser electronegativity, then it will have negative oxidation state. You are not getting it. I will give you an example. Okay. Take the example of carbon dioxide. The carbon has linked with itself with two oxygens. Both are more electronegative than it. So, 2 electrons are taken by this oxygen and 2 electrons are taken by this oxygen. So, its oxidation state will be +4. This oxygen is taking 2 electrons from carbon. So, it will have -2 oxidation state. Similarly, this oxygen is again taking 2 electrons. So, it will have -2 oxidation state. Basic. This sulfur, what will be the oxidation state? See, it is surrounded by 4 oxygens and each oxygen is taking some amount of electrons from the sulfur. This oxygen is taking 1 electron, so -1, a +1. This oxygen is taking another electron, so +2. This oxygen is taking a pair of electrons, so +4. And this oxygen is again taking a pair of electrons, so +6. This sulfur will have +6 oxidation state. This oxygen will have -2 oxidation state. This hydrogen will have +1 oxidation state. Got my point? In CrO5, the chromium will have +6 oxidation state. See, there is a very good method to find out the oxidation state. Just calculate the number of bonds it had. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it is +6. Here coordinate bond can be written like this: 2 electrons donation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sulfur will have +6 oxidation state. Carbon 4, so 4 oxidation. Thus you have to clear your concept about the oxygen atoms and the carbon atom. Which one is more electronegative and which one is less electronegative, and you will find it. There are some formulas, but I am not telling about you the formulas, because when you are talking about formulas, you are just omitting the logic, you are omitting the rationalism. But chemistry is a subject with full of logic and reasoning. There is no hidden thing there. All can be explained with logic.